How to make Keto Asparagus Walnut Salad. The ingredients: ½ cup walnuts, chopped, 20-ounce asparagus spears, 1 medium lemon, juice plus zest, 2 teaspoon chili-garlic paste, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/4 cup avocado oil, ½ cup grated parmesan cheese. The preparation: 1. Measure and prepare all the ingredients. Preheat the oven to 350 F. 2. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Put the chopped walnuts on the baking sheet. Bake for about 10 minutes or until they are light golden brown in color. 3. Wash the asparagus spears and cut off the fibrous ends, discard the fibrous parts. Then, thinly slice the asparagus spears at an angle. 4. In a bowl, combine the lemon juice, lemon zest, chili-garlic paste, salt, and avocado oil. 5. Add in the grated parmesan cheese and stir well until combined. 6. Plate the cut asparagus spears and the toasted walnuts. 7. Top with the dressing, toss lightly and serve. Then enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 4 servings of Keto Asparagus Walnut Salad. Each serving comes out to be 298 calories, 26.2 grams fat, 5.5 grams net carbs, and 10.3 grams protein. If you want to get a custom keto diet made up for you, just click on the link in the description below for more recipes.